Hey guys, good evening. Guys, if you are able to see my screen, just type yes in the chat box so that we can get started with the first session of manual testing as part of software testing today. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. Good to see a lot of people here who are interested in going through the manual testing sessions. Okay, so from my previous batches and newly joined people, I welcome everyone to this new batch, that is batch 6, which is starting today, right? Right. So welcome everyone. Let's make this session fruitful. Okay, to make a particular session fruitful, we have to go with some planning, right? Sort of high level planning for software testing, what you want from me and what I want to teach you. So we'll decide the topics also at the same time. And after discussing with you, whatever I feel like, I need to include this, I'll try to include that also. Okay, but whatever I can, okay, it's not like whatever you want. You can put on the table like I want this, but whether I can do that or not, based on my caliber and all, I'll decide that and confirm to you in the session. Okay, fine. So just here I'll create a template, guys. In this for planning purpose, I'm using the software for a while. So manual testing. I'll have some references here. I'll give you an overview. You see, before directly starting with this is that is what, and all those stuff, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you what exactly I'm going to cover in this course. Okay. I'm going to show you beforehand itself what I'm going to teach you as part of this course. Okay. So based on that, you can respond. Okay. So manual testing is the one. Just give me a second, or else we'll do one thing. Just have this with me. Let me log in here so that I have a lot of I think you guys are able to hear my voice, right? If yes, you just type S in the chat box. Guys, if you're able to hear my voice, just type S in the chat box. Okay, great. Yeah, Jairam, I think we have to drop off and drop in. Okay, maybe your side issue, Jairam. Great. Okay, fine. Able to hear me. Uh, you drop off and sign and drop in again. Okay, so anyone facing any problem with the audio and all, right? Just drop off and drop in so that you'll be able to get the audio back. Some problems may come. That's okay. This is the first session, right? It may happen. Let me log into this. See whether I'll be able to log in or not. Okay, forgot. It's a problem here. Okay, the password is gone. Okay, so give me a second. Let me get the password. I don't remember the password, maybe. Okay. Meanwhile, you type in the chat box, guys. Meanwhile, you guys type in the chat box what are the different topics that you want as part of this. Okay, so instead of wasting the time, just meanwhile type in the chat box what are the different things that you are looking forward. If you are completely new to software testing, say new, or if you are already aware of software testing and but you want to learn something new, you just type in the chat box here. Based on that, I will, you can keep typing, guys. You can keep typing. Meanwhile, by the time I get my access to the Evernote, where my notes are available. So in advance, I will give you the notes also, if possible, today itself. Okay. No, before I start, I'll give you the notes also. Yeah, I got it now. Okay. When I am talking about manual testing, everyone is asking about automation testing here. Okay. Guys, chat GPT with testing, that's okay. Automation and API testing, that is kind of different, right? I'm asking about software testing, manual part, guys. Okay. What exactly you want in manual testing? I am asking you, not in automation test or Selenium or APM or something. Already I gave you that list what I'm going to cover as part of this course, right? But in manual testing, I'm planning now. I'm not planning for all the things. I'm only planning for software testing manual. So let me know like what exactly you want in manual testing. What are the different topics you are looking forward in manual testing? I want to know, not in automation testing. Okay, great. Should get access, let's say. Yeah. Okay. Keep typing, guys. Keep typing meanwhile. Okay. Should be a ongoing process for us because we are planning it well so that we'll deliver it well. Whatever you want, I'll be training you. So both sides, both parties will be happy because of this reason. Okay. So let me go through one by one now. What exactly you guys are expecting from my side? Yeah. Chat GPT with testing. Definitely, I'm going to use Chat GPT in most of the cases. Okay. Definitely, Pooja. I'll use Chat GPT, but to some extent. Till where we can use in testing, I'm going to show you the Chat GPT. That's okay. Then next question we got is bug report. Yes, bug report will be part of this training included. Yeah, step by step flow. How to perform manual testing in a step by step manner, learning wise and doing wise. Okay, I'm going to teach you that. Testing techniques, I'm going to show you. Yeah, how to generate the bug report using JIRA or some other tools. Definitely, I'll show you. Test plan. Yes, test plan is going to be the main area, key area where I'm going to cover. Real time scenarios in manual testing. Sure. So you want live touch, right? Okay, I'll do it. I'll give a feel of, how the things need to be done in real time. So be ready for the assignments, guys. These are optional assignments, not compulsory. If you do, your confidence will rise. Okay. How we test the application, I'll show you. I'll show you practically how to test the application also. What should be the approach? Yes, sure. Jira. Yes, I'm going to explain Jira in detail. Theory will be there, Pratik. Without theory, we cannot go with manual testing. That's the problem. But I'll try to make it as simple as possible for you. Okay. Theory will be there, but with my personal touch will be there. So don't worry. Without theory, it will not be there. Okay. So different metrics we'll see different metrics. That is an advanced topic in software testing. Yeah, we'll try to include that. Then domain knowledge. Yes, domain knowledge plays a key role. I'm going to explain good domains. Don't worry. Okay, we'll explore the tools also, Srinivasa and all. Yeah, tools will be there. Without tools, we have to do. After that, only two. For convenience wise, we have to use the tools, Srinivasa. Okay, so we'll explore the tools. Don't worry. Okay, we'll see all the possibilities. That's very great. Whatever suggestions are giving, I'll make a note also. In today's mind map that I'm creating here, I'm going to make your suggestions as a note and then so that I'll remember everything because today I speak and tomorrow I forget. There is no use, right? Okay. Test scenarios, identification and positive and negative test case. I'll show you real-time scenarios in banking domain. Okay, we'll see. Banking domain. I'm not particular about banking domain, but we'll definitely look into banking domain. Okay, at some point of time when domain thing comes, if you are really are interested. Bug report, negative and positive scenarios, test case templates used in companies. Yes, I'm going to share the different templates for you. Okay, for now, what are the companies I worked on? What is the best test case template I have? I'm going to share that with you. Uh, yeah, I'll start from very like scratch. Even though you don't know anything about software testing, you'll know it. Okay. I'm only reading the comments, so it may be like that for now. But I'm going to start from completely scratch, Oshin. So don't worry about that. This session is for the people who are completely new to testing only. Just wait for a while. Everything will start. Okay. Error scenarios testing, negative testing. That's okay. Metrics, Java. Jira. I think so. Jiva, Sublime. Okay. Then fine. Okay, so concept, yeah, different terminologies like defect triage, what is called as triage, latent defect production, QA environments, and all those stuff. Future prospects of software testing, yes, definitely I'll try to cover that. Okay, how can we leverage UI? Okay, good contribution, guys. I think you guys are, have a lot of thing into the software testing already, but there are other people, who are very completely new to software testing here. So I have to balance everyone. So don't think that I'm kind of slow here, and your participation also needed because other people can learn from. If you're already aware of some portion of software testing, try to contribute here because of our discussions and all. The people who are completely new to software testing will understand at a better level. Okay. So fine. So that's great, guys. Whatever the list that you have typed in the chat is very good. Very happy to see a lot of comments there, and that's very, very great. Okay, browser stack. Start with the basics of testing. Yeah, sure. Keep typing, guys. Okay. I'll read it again. Meanwhile, keep typing. If you have anything coming into your mind while I'm taking the session, you can keep typing in the chat box. Okay. I'll make a note here later. So for now, what I'm trying to do is I have the notes with me. Okay. I have the notes with me. I'm going to share the notes with you all, guys. Okay. Is that good? Shall I do it, guys? As part of the before I start, shall I share the notes of the software testing with you before itself? Will that be a good idea? Yes, right? So let me give me a second. Okay, let me collect all the notes that I have with me and share the notes with you. So yeah, so that you can have reference. Even though you forget something, right? Go through the notes. Not always you have to go through the videos, right? Okay, you can go through the notes also. So here I have a lot of notes with me, starting from what is software testing to. Okay, that's okay. Let's refresh here, reload. Some kind of thing is coming. That's okay. No, manual testing doesn't have any framework, Pratik. It will be in automation testing. We'll come to that later. Okay. Manual testing will not have any framework. Okay. Okay. So, and I came here. Let's see. The notifications doesn't come this time. Okay. They are marketing a lot. Okay. Fine. Copy link. This like I'll just copy this heading. So what I'll do here for sharing the notes, what is the best thing that I can do for sharing the notes? I have an idea. The idea is very simple. I'll go here and I hope you already got the access to this Google Drive folder, right? Where you can access the previous recording videos and current batch videos, everything. Okay, yes, right? Yeah, great. In that basics folder, we are into the basics. Already training plan video. If anyone of you have missed the training plan video, like what we thought of doing in this particular training and all, if you want to go through that, you can go through this already uploaded here, guys. You can go through that. Now I'm going to create another folder here under the basics folder. I'm going to create another folder. I'll just simply say the two dot manual software testing or manual testing. In simple terms, you can say manual testing or manual software testing. Anything is fine. Okay. So manually, we are going to perform the testing. That's why manual testing. Okay. I think I gave the access. I gave the access. Just cross check again. I don't think some access has been missed. Yeah, I already provided access to everyone. Okay, so someone is saying your voice is not audible. Audible to all. Cross check again from your end. No problem from my end. Okay. Okay, manual software testing is a folder I created here. And in this, I'm going to create a document here with the name notes, create and share. The document, I'll just name this as manual software testing notes. Notes for manual software testing. Okay, notes for manual software testing, I'll just say. And here, I'm going to provide all the notes, guys. Okay, so just be with me. So what is the first thing, guys? What is software testing is the first thing, right? What is software testing is the first thing. So I'll do it here. And where are the notes? Here I'll provide the notes for you. Okay. So if you are not speaking, guys, just mute yourself, Jairam and all. Okay, you can mute yourself. Okay. Otherwise, it will disturb other people. Okay. So I'll just share the notes here. So do one thing, guys. Just for I'll provide this link in the chat box, and that is our Zoom chat. Try to open that. Just confirm like whether you guys are able to open the notes or not. Okay. Confirm whether you are able to open the notes. If you are able to open the notes, say yeah, working. Just type working if you are able to properly open the notes at your end in your machines. Just type working for you. Just type working if the notes are openable, open, or you are able to open the notes at your end. The topics are going to be what is manual testing. That the topics that I'm going to confirm as part of these sessions are what is manual testing, and then second one is why software testing is required. Why software testing is required is the second topic. Okay, great, working. That's very good. Okay. Why software testing is required is the next topic. Then next one, what is the next one? Demo application. We are going to use a demo application to get started with software testing. We are going to practice the software testing on this application. Okay. So you see, you should get a live practical feeling, right? Some person was asking me like, I don't want more theory. Yes, you need to sign up. For what? For Evernote? Evernote, you don't have to sign up. You just directly open. Anyone can open this. You see, if you have the access, you can open. Incognito mode, I'll open. You see, even though I don't have the access, I can access it. Okay. You don't have to sign up. Anusha, you don't have to sign up. Without signing up, also, you can open. Is it okay? You say, I'm able to open without signing in. Is that okay? It's not compulsory to sign into this Evernote. Okay. It's up to you. If you want to, you can. But anyhow, it's a paid one nowadays. Earlier, it was free one. All my notes were there in the paid version now. But, they are not deleting it for now. So they're asking us to upgrade, but I have not upgraded it until I feel a need, until there is a need that I need to upgrade, I'll not upgrade. Okay. So later I'll try to upgrade if really required for me. Okay. Okay, session 3 is all about demo application. For practicing software testing, I'm going to use one demo application. What is that application that I'm going to cover in this? Okay, thing. Demo application for practicing software testing is the third topic I'm going to cover here. Next, I'll share you this notes, don't worry. Or it's there in the Google Drive. I even don't have to share also. It's there in the Google Drive. Okay. So I'm going to start from very scratch. What is software testing? Why software testing is required? Why we have to perform software testing? We'll do some R&D also, guys. Okay. There is going to be some R&D also. It's not like, whatever the notes I have, I'll try to teach you. It's not like that. Okay. We are going to do some extra R&D on these parts also, so that you will get a comprehensive idea. It's not just like, you're a kind of person, software test. It's not like that. But you're going to learn software testing in a best way in these sessions going ahead. Okay. Demo application, then domain knowledge. Next part is what? Domain knowledge. You see, some people were asking me about the domain knowledge. Right here, we are going to explain good amount of domain knowledge to make your learning more better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the domain knowledge using capital market domain. Anyone know what is capital market here? Yes, anyone know what is capital market domain? Anyone have an idea what is capital market? Type in the chat box, guys, if you know. If you know what is a capital market domain, just type in the chat box. No idea? Yes, sir. Lived and breathed it. Okay. Yes, yes. Financial market. Yes. Trading market, financial, stock market. In other words, we generally call it a stock market, right? Stock market is one of the part. Okay. Nowadays, bear market. That's okay. Yeah. But finance is definitely required, whether it is bear market or bull market. Okay, all these are the terminologies, right? I'm going to teach you the terminologies so that you'll also learn some trading. If you also know something, right, try to contribute here. So during the domain knowledge, to make the understanding easy, I'm going to take the capital market, which is, and also, you know, we'll go. I'm trying to make it interesting. That's the reason. Okay, I'm not going to suggest you try to buy and sell and all those stuff here. Okay, this stock is very good. That stock is very good. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to give an idea what exactly if you want to test a particular application of a complex domain. Okay, capital market is one of that kind of application, right? And also we guys can do it now. Okay, you guys can I can make you guys do it. Okay, explore the application. You are asking me for a real application, right? Okay, you are asking me for a real application. If I take any application, that is not going to be real. Okay, even I host it also, it's not going to be real. Real application is application which has some real features available, right? So for that reason, I'm going to take capital market and take one of the platforms in the market which are they are providing for free, and we'll use it and learn software testing. Okay, in other words, fine. I think that will be interesting, guys. Not only capital market, but the e-commerce and everything will cover. But domain knowledge wise, I'll cover capital market, and later whatever you want, we'll try to explore and cover, guys. Okay. So a lot of ideas are there with me how to take this domain knowledge, because domain knowledge also plays a key role in software testing. The next one is basic testing types. Okay. So there are 170 plus types of software testing. I figured it out. You go here and see in my blog, it's already there, guys. Okay, if you go to my website qfox.com, I recommend everyone to bookmark this web page and share in your circles and all. Okay, qfox.com is a website, guys. Okay, which where all my work is available. Okay, where my complete work, okay, that I'm doing from the last 5 years is available. Last more than 5 years actually is available. So I want you guys to bookmark this page. Okay, so contents page where you'll see a lot of things are there here. A lot of things are there here. Okay. So in this, I created an article, guys. Okay. That is, 170 plus software testing types. How many testing types I figured out? On a day, I decided like, I want to know, like, people talk about that testing, this testing. So how many are there? I got a doubt. So with that curiosity, right, I started exploring different websites and, inch and inch of internet. I went there and tried to figure out how many types of testing are there, and finally found 170 plus types of software testing. But do you have to learn all the software testing types? Not required. Do you learn the entire dictionary? Do you learn each and every word in the dictionary? No, right? Whatever you need, you will go and search in the dictionary, right? Similar way, in this 170 types, whatever important we are going to learn, not everything. Okay. So, but this topic that I'm talking about here, okay, this particular topic that I'm going to refer here in the Evernote, okay, has a basic testing types to get started. These are the important testing types that you should have the idea of. Okay. So, yeah, next one is domain knowledge. After that, domain knowledge is done. Next one is, okay, next one is basic testing types. I'll give you all these notes, guys. Today itself, I'm going to give you all these notes. So be with me, and also you'll understand what I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions. What is software testing? Why software testing is required? Demo application for practicing software testing. Domain knowledge plays a key role in software testing. Basic testing types for understanding the software testing better. Okay. This is the one. Next one is this one. Then what is the next one? Next one is what? Okay. Next one is software testing career planning. Okay, if you want to grow in your grow in career in software testing, and also I'll try to attach few words like what is the future of software testing. What is it the end or something? A lot of people are afraid like AI is coming. What is the kind of impact AI is going to do here? All these things I'll cover in this particular session. Okay. So apart from the traditional notes that I have, I'll also try to put some info into it, where I'm going to cover how to plan your career despite of a lot of things happening in the market. How to plan your career and all. I'll cover it here. So I'll just make a note also here so that I can give it to you properly. Software testing career planning. How to plan your career, in software testing. How to plan your career in software testing. And here I'll also discuss about the and future of software testing also will be covered to you here. Okay, future of software testing also will be covered to you here. Just save this somewhere so that I'll not lose it. Okay, I saved it, guys. That's great. Software testing career planning is done. Then independent software testing. You see, a lot of sessions will be there here where I'm going to. People are asking not about theory, right? They want live automation, live application to practice software testing, and they want to do it in a live way. So I'm going to give you assignments. I'm going to teach you something. We feel like we got a project and we are going to work as a software tester. That kind of scenario I'm going to create in these sessions, guys. So it's not normal sessions I'm going to take here. Okay, this training is going to be completely different. I'm going to put a lot of energy into this training and teach you this time. Okay. So independent software testing, part one. This is part one, how the project begins and a lot of case studies I'll give you here. Okay. To get an idea how the software testing happens in real world. Okay. So this is the one. Next topic is this one. Next one is what? Next one will go here. That is domain knowledge. As part of the domain knowledge, I'll cover this e-commerce domain knowledge. I'll cover here just what is domain knowledge and how it is playing the key role. But here we'll take some domains like e-commerce domain, and I'll try to explore other domains also here. Other domains like capital market and banking, etc. Banking, etc. Also, we'll see how to explore, how to get domain knowledge and all. Okay. Yeah, healthcare also. Healthcare, you can also write healthcare. Okay. How to explore different type of domains. All these strategies and all. I'll give you with R&D stuff and all. We are going to do a good amount of R&D in this part also. Okay. These are not just manual testing training sessions. These are some like 25% R&D also will be there, guys. Okay. So be with me. You see, whenever you are learning some software testing, right, make sure that you are not just learning the theory, but also you should do some R&D, guys. Our brain should adapt to the R&D, okay? The more people go to office, just for going sake, and they don't do R&D, okay? Even you just check with the people who are already working in the companies, they don't do R&D. They are not, they are reluctant, okay? They are busy with their work from morning 9 to 9. Nowadays, 9 to 9, right? Okay. So morning to night, they are only focused about working. But what about learning, guys? What about doing R&D? Without doing R&D, you'll be like a normal employee. Maybe at that point of time, that work may be important, but at later point of time, you will be screwed up. Okay, you will be the one who will get fired up. Okay, from the company because you are not making any difference. The reason here is from the day one, you should gain the knowledge, should do R&D. The R&D should compound, your knowledge should compound over a period of time, and you should reach a position where no one can beat you. Okay, that's the kind of psychological thing that you have to do it. And to get there, what are the different resources, what are the different type of people in the market are there? I'm going to teach you everything, guys. Okay, this is going to be R&D and very different type of sessions, guys, we are going to have on manual testing. Okay. Yeah, many things are there, payment gateways are there, a lot of things are there. That's okay. Fine. The next one is independent these notes. I'm going to share you the notes right away. There is the eighth notes, e-commerce domain knowledge. I'm going to share you the notes here. This is the first session, so let's not make a scene out of this session, guys. Okay. Planning is very important than learning here at this point of time. Don't rush up. Okay. Things will happen smoothly at a proper amount of time. We're going to cover a lot of topics a single day, but ultimately to do them, we need to have, a good planning. Okay. So independent software testing, part two. Here we are trying to explore the application and understand the application and all those stuff. Okay. E-commerce domain knowledge, I'll say. That's it. And yeah, then what else is there? This one, session 10. I'll give you all the notes. Okay. I'm giving you all the notes. Just be with me. Yeah, this one then. Here also exploring and understanding the application. Exploring and understanding the application. Looks good. Here, test planning. Some people were asking me about test planning, right? Okay. I'm going to cover test planning in this session. Okay. Test planning I'm going to cover. Here, what about this one? Exploring and understanding the application. This is step by step. We are going to do the software testing, like what people do in real time. Here, test planning phase will come where what we are going to learn a lot of stuff. My way of teaching will be completely different, guys. Okay, it will not be completely theoretical. It will not be, it will be kind of lot more importance given to the practical. But theory we cannot escape, guys. Sometimes not definitions though. When I talk about theory, it's not definitions. We have to know some terminology, right? That's what I'm talking about. So, what are test scenarios? Also, I'm going to cover here. What are test scenarios? Okay, once test scenarios are covered, then test planning, test scenarios, test cases. Next one is test cases. I'm going to cover the test cases here. After that is also done, I'm going to start creating the test cases for different functionalities in the application. I'll take one sample application, and for that application, I'm going to create the test cases, guys. Okay, live. I'm going to create the test cases live for that application. Okay, 16th here test cases for login functionality. All these are nothing but the test cases, guys. Okay, these are the test cases. You are going to learn a lot. I'm going to make you participate, and it's optional participation. It's up to you whether you are kind of enthusiastic. You can participate. I'll not force anyone generally. Okay, because my way of teaching should be kind of very free, and people should communicate easily with me. I don't want to make a scene out of the things. Okay, it's like participation is important, and I'll encourage. It's up to you whether you want to come forward or not, but I'll try my level best. Okay. Then next one, test cases are getting created, guys. This is a phase where we are going to create the test cases. Good number of assignments you are going to get during this process, guys. During this process of me giving this assignments and all, you are going to work. So, guys, 2 days, weekends, Saturday and Sunday, you attend the sessions, and remaining 5 days, you have a lot of time, guys. Okay, spend this time on working on the activities that I have given you. Okay, so that you'll get a lot of confidence here. But there are optional activities, assignments. So then complete test case and independent software testing live project. Okay. Here we completed it, let's say. I'll share you the templates and all. You see, I will share you the templates here. Then different UI, okay? Different UI elements. As software tester, we should have the idea about UI elements and all. I think this is coming somewhere in between also. I think this is not correct, guys. Okay, this we'll skip it. Okay, this is not required at this moment. 28th, this is important. Okay, UI testing checklist is important. So no one will share this UI testing checklist, guys. I'll share you and how to use it, how to work on it, and how to perform testing with the help of this. I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, we'll ideate the things. I'll share you a lot of the R&D that I have done already. Okay, all these are the UI testing. Okay, UI testing also plays a key role in software testing. Yes, user interface. Correct. User interface also. Okay. So user interface, how to test the user interface, I'm going to teach you here. Yes, correct. That is user interface only. UI means user interface only. The next one, okay. So here, what we are doing here, we are prioritizing the test cases. We are prioritizing the test cases. It's not about only creating the test cases. We also have to prioritize the test cases, guys. Then we have to perform something known as smoke testing in our real time. Okay, how to perform smoke testing? What is smoke testing? I'm going to cover here. Different important types of testing will be automatically covered during the sessions. How to run the test cases and how to report the defects and all will come later. Okay. You see, complete cycle will be there. Even though you're not able to understand few things, don't worry, guys. I'm just trying to give you the notes. The session has not started yet. The actual software testing thing has not started yet. I'm only sharing you what we are planning, okay, at this point of time. What you want is important than what I deliver here. Okay. We are getting a proper pitch for our training. That's it. Okay. So that our training will go well and you guys know what is going to happen during the training. You don't have to ask me in the group like, what is the topic for today? What is the topic for today? You don't have to ask. Okay. So just refer to these notes and see what is going to come up. Okay. So how to report the defects? I'll take some different bug tracking tools that are there in the market, which are freely available in nowadays. Okay. So earlier we don't have access to these bug tracking tools. Now I'll give you some tools, guys. Okay. Okay. I'll give you some tools where you can learn them. Okay. Then my intention of this training is not just to teach software testing, guys. I want to change your mindset at the same time. Okay. You need to get a kind of mindset that software testers should have. It should be behind testing. Like maybe you should become a smart tester rather than a general, normal, average tester. You have to be a smart tester. How to become a smart tester? I'm going to make you the or show you the way. Okay. So a lot of training institutes will train you. What is this? What is that? And all the stuff. Here it's not like that. Okay. I want to make a difference. I want to make you guys, smarter. Okay. How to think smarter, how to learn smarter, how to learn the things smarter is important than just learning, right? So the way of we are going to approach this training program or contents is going to be completely different, guys. Okay, whatever you get from the YouTube doesn't matter here. Okay, YouTube is okay. That's for reference purpose, learning purpose. You can use it. I'm not saying it's bad. It's very good because I also have a YouTube channel and the software testing notes I'm sharing you are also there on my YouTube channel. You can go from there, but that doesn't make any difference if I cover the same thing in the training, right? I'm going to make the training completely different, guys. Okay, it is going to be completely different from whatever that is there in the YouTube. And here mainly, I'm going to target your mindset. I'm going to talk to you, speak to you, discuss with you, and decide the things. Okay. So this batch six, I'm taking it as a privilege, guys. Okay, as a high priority thing. So I want to make a lot of difference this time. So it's not going to be the same as like till batch five, it's one thing, but now batch six, I'm going to do a lot of differences here. I'm taking the thing seriously. So people who are very serious, attend the sessions, get a lot of discipline, guys. I have seen people dropping off after some days. Okay. That happens in every batch of mine. Okay. So make sure that you have decided to go with one training, but at the same time, you should have the discipline of continuing no matter what. Okay. Sometimes the sessions will become boring also. Still you have to. Okay. Still you have to. That's where you are going to learn. Okay. If someone is giving you all the smooth things, nothing will happen, right? You have to go through the challenges, then only you will learn it. Okay. I'm not able to understand, I'll drop off, I'll not going to attend the session. This is not a good thing. Okay. I've seen the people doing it. Okay. Don't drop off, guys, in the between of the sessions. Okay. So in the beginning of the trainings, a lot of energy will be there with you all. But maybe after 1 or 2 weeks, right, what happens? Things will fade out. Okay. Whatever the energy you have will drop off. What is the problem? The problem is the discipline, guys. Okay. Give discipline, have some goal setting done. Okay. Take the thing seriously, and then you'll be okay with that. Okay. But that's okay. Reporting defects in bug tracking tool, how to report the defects, I'll show you. What's the best way, how to use AI tools, and all those stuff. Okay. I'll cover this. Okay. You see, as a trainer, I want to make the things interesting, but if you learn only interesting things, nothing is going to happen. Okay. I can, I can create a FOMO and, and make you guys be active in the sessions. That's not my aim. As a software tester, we have to learn everything. Boring content also we have to learn. Okay. We have to explore. We have to do R&D. Things will take time. That's okay. Don't rush up, guys. There is no need of rushing up. You're not learning in a quality way. No matter how many things you rush up, there is no use, right? Quality is important. Quality is important. So don't rush up. Learn whatever you have to learn. Don't drop off. Okay. I will drag it. I will drag the sessions definitely because for your benefit only, I will drag the sessions in the coming days. But the only reason I'm dragging the sessions is to make you guys a different tester, not an average tester. Okay. I want to make you guys a better tester. And I'm going to show you the different email templates that you can use in your real time while emailing the clients. Okay. Well, as part of software testing, when you email the clients, right, what are the different type of situations will come where, what are the different type of emails you have to send to the client. Okay, that also I'll show you. You see how depth I'm going there. Okay, then we have something known as defect life cycle, guys. Okay, this is also very important. In interviews, it is mostly focused. People will ask you the questions in the interviews. Defect life cycle. Then we have test case execution, results. Okay, analyzing the results and all, checking the results. Then what else we have? List of defects identified. Okay, for example, I'll show you some defects to get you the confidence, guys. Okay, I'm taking a mock application and sharing my knowledge here. Emailing the defects, how to send the emails, defects found over email, because our job is to find the defects, right? Okay, so how to do that and all. Then retesting and other types of testing, when we have to perform, what we have to perform. I'm going to show you that. Okay. Then next one, emailing, regression, retesting and regression testing. Copy this, paste this. Okay. How to email, what are the test cycles called as, what are test cycles. A lot of terminologies will come, guys. Okay. If you know these terminologies, you see, I remember the day when I joined the company and there was a meeting happening. A lot of testers were there and, I was just sitting. I was very brand new to the meeting and, whatever the people were speaking was Chinese language for me. Okay. I'm not able to understand even a single word. What may be the reason? Because I'm completely new to software testing. I don't know the terminologies. They are directly using some terminologies like test cases, test planning. Okay. bug triage and all those stuff. Who knows that? Until you know, you will not be able to. So I'll not be able to participate in the meeting until having the knowledge, right? So this is the thing here, okay? So, and also guys, a lot of people try to rush up to automation, okay? If you don't build your basics well, whatever you do, you'll be failure, guys, okay? At some point of time, you'll become a failure because your fundamentals should be strong. Though manual testing is not that much difficult when compared to automation testing because coding is not involved, that doesn't mean that manual testing as a separate is not bad. You see, there is hell lot of things in manual testing. Okay, there is hell lot of things in manual testing that we have to learn. Okay, so even I have the challenges. Okay, it's not like even after this many years, I have the challenges in manual testing where there are some areas that even I don't know. Okay, I have to go through a lot of books and do all the stuff. I have my own challenges. But for you, that's what I'm saying, guys. Okay, so take manual testing as a challenge, not just automation testing as a challenge. Take manual testing also as a challenge. Okay, then you will be good. Then you will become good, guys. Okay, if you take manual testing, not just automation testing, if you also take manual testing as a challenge, you will be good in your career, guys. Okay, you will rock in your career. Okay, great. The next one, quality report. Okay, quality report. Okay, then a lot of other miscellaneous topics were there here. So for now, part one, I'm giving you the notes for part one of the things that I'm going to cover here. These are the important things. These are the important things. Okay. Afterwards comes the R&D part. The other part is JIRA, guys. Okay, in R&D part somewhere here. After this, you can directly jump onto the JIRA or something. A lot of other things are there, but from here you can jump onto till 36 we came, right? These are all additional topics. You see what is software, what are the types of the software, service-based testing, product versus technical things. Also, I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to teach you technical things because without that, you will not be doing well in software testing. Any software you have to learn what is the software, you should have the idea, right? All these things I'm going to cover in the upcoming days. Okay. In the upcoming days, I'm going to teach you, but at this moment, I'm not going to share the notes with you. But I'm going to teach you all this stuff. The important things, I'm just making a note here. Okay. SDLC models, Agile. Agile is very important, guys. Agile SDLC model is very important. For now, I'll share you the notes of Agile here, or there is a different approach also for me. A lot of theoretical things are there. There's no other way to escape this. It's need to be done. Okay. So I spent a lot of stuff really covered to you. A random basis, that's okay. Yeah, Jira. Agile and Jira will be there here. Okay. This is the last topic as part of manual testing. The compulsion topics. These are the whatever the topics I'm covering, just mentioning you are the compulsory topics. Okay. Apart from that, what else we can do also? We are going to do R&D here now. Okay. We are going to create a plan here. Jira Agile Management Tool. Okay. What is the meaning? What is Agile? What is and all the stuff. Along with that, this also will be covered. Okay. Because nowadays in the market, all the projects are Agile projects. Okay. We have to learn it. So these are the topics, guys. These are the main things. Okay. And many others and many more. Okay, so these are the major things that you should have the notes of, but there are a lot of other things, hopefully you have the access to the Google Drive, right? You have the access to the Google Drive. See guys, whether you are able to access this. Can you guys confirm? I can see some 4 or 5 people are already watching the notes here, but can you guys see like whether you have the access to these notes, this notes document? Just confirm here. Try to go to the Google Drive and see whether you're able to access this. Whether you're able to access this or not. Just confirm me. Just type yes if you're able to access this. I don't have to share it outside, right? It will be there in your Google Drive itself. Google Drive. Just go to the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, go to our group. This is our group, right? In the group, click on the group. In that, you will see this Google Drive link. Copy this Google Drive link and open it like this in your browser. Once you open that in the browser, you will get all these folders, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, previous recording, previous batches. Now batch 6 is going on. Click on the batch 6, guys. In the batch 6, you have this training plan where last weekend I have taken this session. Manual testing. Here, this is the document. Open the document and see whether you are able to access. Okay, confirm me in the chat box. You are able to access. Alex, are you able to access now with this process? Great, great. Yes, great. Okay, super. So I've shared you all the notes, guys. Okay, whenever you are free, just go through the notes. Okay, so you know what is coming up. I don't have to explain every time. You can go through the document and you know how I'm going to teach you and all. These are just for reference purpose only, but this may not be the real training content. Okay, how to locate the document you want to know, Pradeepa? Thing is that you go to the WhatsApp group. Are you part of the WhatsApp group, Pradeepa? Pradeepa, are you part of the WhatsApp group? This QFox discussion group, WhatsApp group, are you part of that, Pradeepa? Pradeepa, you there?
Arun, I'm part of that one other group, but this group QA discussion group, I'm not here.
You're part of this live automation group or this group?
One moment, let me see. I'm a part of QA discussion group. Yes,
Yeah, this is the one,
QA
right,
discussion
Pradeepa?
group.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes, yes.
QFox discussion one group. This is the one, correct one. You are on the proper group only, okay? So you need to click on the this one, name, okay? You'll get this pane, right? Like this. Some description of this group will come, right? In that, select show more and you'll get this Google Drive link, okay? You'll get this Google Drive link. Copy that Google Drive link and go to the browser where you have the Gmail logged in of yours because you have signed up with us via Gmail, right? That wherever your Gmail is logged in the new tab, open the new tab and paste that link, and you will be taken to my Google Drive. Okay, you will be taken to the Google Drive where all my previous recordings are available here. Okay, in that, go to the basics folder. Currently, we are in the basics. Go to the basics folder. In the basics folder, you will see two folders here: training plan, previous sessions, and currently we are taking manual testing. Go there and you'll find this document. Open the document. You will be able to access the notes. Okay,
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
got it right?
Yeah.
Great. So here you have all the notes. Take one of the notes and see whether you are able to access or not. Okay, from your side. If you are able to access, you are good to go. Okay. I shared all the notes, important notes that every software tester needs. You just have to go through that. Okay. So if you are able to note these notes only, I'm going to use for teaching purpose. Okay. So we are going to do R&Ds and all on these notes only. Okay. So be with that. So great. Good thing we have completed one thing, guys. Okay. So thanks for cooperation and all the stuff. So apart from that, mm, I'll just write others. What are the other things? I'll write at a high level, guys. Okay. Other things are like other miscellaneous topics and keywords, okay, which are there in the notes also. You see there are a lot of things I have not provided the notes for you at this point of time. You see, apart after completing that also we have a lot of things like what is the software and all those stuff, right? You see, after this 36 is over, we have what is the software and all those stuff, right? So all these things, okay, other other keywords in Evernote, okay. Check Evernote, I'll say. Check Evernote, I'll take you to there. Okay. Check our note. I'll say for myself, I am writing this. Apart from that, you guys were suggesting something, right? I'll go with that. I will take care of the assignments also. I have to give you the assignments. Okay. Every week, I'm going to give you one assignment, guys. Okay. Make a note of the assignment. Okay. We are not going to waste any time. Okay. We are going to do some assignments. Okay. It's up to you. Optional assignments though. Okay. Assignments are optional. But if you do it, it's good for you actually. Okay. That's kind of things. And okay, so somewhere here, some domains. When I'm talking about domains, some people were saying about payment gateways, right? Payment gateways. Then I'm just making a note of all this stuff. Okay. Okay. Then there is a tool like browser stack. What is this tool? So browser stack is one tool, and apart from that, I'm going to show you a lot of tools, guys. Okay, to make tools for making you smarter, also smarter. Okay, you see, if you are a normal software tester, you'll not be using these tools, right? Nowadays, a lot of tools have come into the market. Every tool has a different purpose, and without using the tools, your task will be difficult. Okay. For example, if you're doing some calculation with calculator and without calculator, you can see the difference, right? Same thing here also. If you're using some tools, what happens? You will become a smart tester. Basically, you are not wasting the time and all those stuff. There are a lot of tools in the market which will help you out. Very interesting tools, guys. I'll share you a lot of tools. Then okay. People were asking about the AI and testing. Okay. What is the future of software testing? We are going to discuss about future of software testing, and role of AI in testing, and how to upgrade ourselves. All those things will be there. Okay. Yeah, production environments, QA environments, everything will be covered to you here in the Evernotes is already there. I'll cover that, don't worry. I'll take it as depth as possible. You will see a real picture of what happens in the real time. Then I'm just going through your comments, guys. Okay, wait for a while. I'm just making notes by looking at your comments. Yeah, templates will be given to you, negative and positive scenarios, bug report, real-time banking domain. Okay, in this domains, I'll also write banking domain here. Okay, some people who are saying healthcare domain, right? I'll also write healthcare domain here, healthcare domain. If you want anything, you can still keep typing, guys. Okay, don't worry. Tools for generating the scenarios. Okay, when I ask about tools for generating the scenarios, tools for generating test sign scenarios. Let's see. Okay, metrics is another thing that people were suggesting. Yeah, we'll go with a different metrics. Real time projects will be there. That's okay. Okay, testing techniques. Okay, testing techniques and best practices, I'll say. Okay, what else then? Okay, great. That's it. Those are the suggestions I got till now. And how to give QA sign off, test closure, right? Yeah, that is there. In test life cycle, we have that. Okay, in software testing life cycle, we have test sign off. So QA sign off, right? Okay, great. Yeah, these are the things. Any other things, guys? Any other things you want to suggest here as part of our training plan? A lot of things will be there, I know, but how to learn, how to, first we'll have some basic knowledge, guys. You see, directly will not jump to each and every small thing will not jump. First, I'll make you to the level one. After level one is completed, I'll try to enable the level 2 for you. Okay. So we'll not do the R&D from the first itself. Okay. Wherever required, we'll do some R&D, some portion of R&D. But at the end of the training of the manual testing, once the manual testing comes to the end, then we will do a hell lot of R&D. Okay. The people who survive till the end of the training are going to take the real fruits. I'm not going to give you the real fruits in the beginning itself. Okay. The real fruits will come at the end of the training of manual testing. Okay, once the manual testing training comes to an end, right, then you are going to get the real fruits, not now. Okay, fine, great. So these are the things, guys. These are the very good things that we have covered today. Okay, so very good start, I can say, and many more R&D stuff, and many more R&D stuff. And also, you guys get any ideas during this training program, you get any ideas, just let me know. Not only in this training, the upcoming trainings also, or in the group, you post anything in the group also, I'll take it as a consideration. Okay, if you come across something and you want to post that, you can post it here also. Okay, I'll take that and update this manual testing training planning. Okay, I'll update this mind map, guys. I'll update this plan. Okay, this ready to up. It's not freezed here. We're going to add a hell lot of stuff. Okay, a lot of things we are going to see, a lot of tools. What is happening in the software testing industry? Okay, what is happening in the testing field? General knowledge, different tools coming into the market, and their specialities, everything I'm going to cover. Okay, different tools and different Different. Okay. Tools coming into the market and their specialties. Uh, then different people to follow, different people to follow. Smart way, smart way to understand our testing skills and how to level up our skills. Okay. So this there are some ideas here, ideas for doing that. What are the ideas? I'll teach you there. Ideas for that. Okay, what are the ideas where you can incorporate and to level up your skills? You see, it's like an ocean, guys. You see, software testing is like an ocean. A lot of things are there. If you want to grow big, you have to think big. Okay, initially level one, you will be there. Don't take manual testing as a simple cheap topic. It's not like that, guys. A lot of people have that in mind. It has an enormous scope. Okay, in the beginning, it will be like very basic thing is happening. How easy software testing, you'll get a feeling, but later point of time, you'll feel that software testing, even manual, is not easy. Okay. Manual testing also has a lot of strength, guys. Okay. I'm going to teach you a lot, I'm going to set a direction for you that you'll get passionate about software testing going ahead. Okay. So that's what is the promise I will make in this particular session. So anything else, guys? What do you think, guys? Is the plan good? Perfect. Is the plan good, guys? How do you like the plan? Just mention in the comments so that I'll come to know like whether the plan is good or not before I start with software testing. I just want to know from you. Is the plan good enough to get started? Very nice. Great. Thanks for the feedback, guys. If you give an approval, you are my client now. You are my clients. So I need to take the approval from you, right? I'll be happy and do the work. Okay. The training work. If you guys are happy with that. Okay. With the training plan. Great, great. But discipline is the number one, guys. Number one thing. Remember that. You see, to before end the session, I'll give you one famous thing, famous quotes or something. We have to, why we don't grow is mentally. I'm saying, if you think in a proper way, like what is happening in our life, we always expect our life to be very smooth and simple, guys. Okay, yes or no, guys? Do you agree with me? Whenever we go with something, we just choose an easy path. Yes or no? Easy path. Always we take the easy path. Is there any like what I'm trying to shift my mind these days is like I don't want any easy path. Okay, when I get up in the morning, I first pray like this: God, give me some difficult things today, difficult situations today, because I'll become stronger. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? If I'm always with easy things, is there any use? Can you beat the competition? There is no way. You cannot beat the competition, guys. You should be an extraordinary person, and you should do something that other people are not doing, and you should face challenges. The more challenges you become, let's say you go to the gym and you are not doing very well. You are lifting very small weights and nothing is happening, no progress is happening because you are not taking challenges. You are not taking the pain. You have to take the pain, guys. Okay. To grow well, you have to take the pain, and also not only the pain, you will be ready to take the pain. Again, if you are lacking the discipline, what will happen? You'll go gym one day and you'll not go to the gym one day. What will happen? You will not see the results. Okay, though you are taking the pain, but you are not reluctant to go to the gym. Discipline is lacking. Discipline and the caliber to take the plane and the mindset that you have to decide. Okay, so I'll just introduce one person that I generally follow. Okay, these days. Okay, I don't. He's an extremist. I know, but to some extent, we can take his philosophy, and we can go to the next level. That's what I feel. Okay. His name is David Goggins. Okay. So his a website and everything is there here. You see, can't hurt me and all. Okay. So you can give any pain to him. He'll take it and, he'll suffer and, he'll achieve. Okay. So that kind of mentality, toughest, toughest guy. We have to become a toughest guy kind of person. Okay. If you go to the images and all, right, you'll get a lot of quotes here. I'll try to find out one quote. Okay. Uh, you see, if you can get through doing the things that you hate to do, on the other side is greatness. Got it? You have to do. It may be boring, it may be challenging, it may be confusing, it may be difficult, it may be hard. Okay, that is what we have to aim it. Okay, things will be boring, guys. And during training, things will be boring. On the day one, it will be, oh, all this times planning is very good, right? Planning is very good. Okay, it's a mindset hack. You have to hack your mind, guys. Okay, learning is all about hack your mindset. Hack your mind first. Okay, it's very easy to join a training, but how to continue? Discipline is important. Mindset is important. Okay. So we have to, you see, he says, don't stop when you are tired. That's not another thing. So when you see, when there is, he was giving an example, guys, they were very long run they have done. And, the people who are, in the military or someone, right? They will, okay, when you are coming to the end line, everyone is becoming happy because you are going to succeed, right? You are going to complete it. But this guy says that, that's where I'll start. Okay. He's not going to stop there. He's not going to stop there. Okay. He's not going to stop there. So, simple thing at a high level is that, you have to take the difficult things, guys. Okay. Suffering is a test. That's all it is. Suffering is a true test of life. Okay. So, you have to go through the suffering, guys. If you go through the suffering, if you feel that you are going through some training and if you are suffering, that means you are learning something. Okay. You are learning something. You are making a difference then. Okay. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. Things are not easy. Toughness is important. Tougher things are important. Difficult challenges are important. Okay. Make sure that, you feel that. Okay. Suffering is the trust test of life. Okay. If you don't have the suffering, if you don't get hurt, then you will not become hard, successful, right? Basically, you will not become successful. So aim for the challenging things. Don't aim for the smooth things, easy things, all those stuff. Okay. The more difficult things you will go, the more better you will get, and more, the ability you will get, and more the way you will tackle the challenges. Okay. Fine. Don't be in the comfort zone again. Okay. If you're in the comfort zone means you're not taking challenges, right? Fine. So build your mindset, guys. Make it tough. Make it ready to accept the challenges. Okay. Give commitment. Bring discipline. Okay, and do things which are tougher day by day. Okay, do the things which become tougher day by day. Okay, fine. So fine, go and explore with this guy. Now, for now, no assignment for you. I'm not giving you any assignment. Okay. I just want you to go and explore this guy and see what exactly he is. Okay. So that is the first assignment I'm giving, because the day one, I'm afraid that my students will lack the discipline. Okay. To join my sessions in the coming days. You see, you sign up very easily. Okay. So, but ultimate thing is that it's not about signing up. I will be happy when you guys are able to do some difference. Okay. I'm able to do some difference in your life. That's very happy for me. Okay, so go to the website of David Goggins, and because I like it, I also want you to go through that and see. If required, you just go and purchase the books of him and read them. Okay, understand them and build that mindset. Okay, so go through them. He's an extremist. I'm not saying that completely blindly follow him, because his risk level capabilities are very high. It's above average person he is. Even I will not take. I'll just aim for 1% of him. That's it. Okay, I'm just clearly saying that I am the person who will take only 1% of him. I'll not take more than 1% also. If I am 1% of him, I am very good. Okay. So that level he is. Okay. I'm also not forcing you to take 100% of him, because it's very difficult. Okay. Very challenging. So we have to go level by level to whatever the expert. We have to be sometimes, not everyone says is correct, right? We have to take whatever the positive things in that people. We should not, we should ignore whatever that doesn't suit us, right? So, yeah. So go with this, guys. He is giving the suggestions based on the workouts plans, how to exercise and all those stuff. But we are not. We are going to take the same discipline for our training here. Okay, for our learning the manual testing, software testing, we are going to take the same discipline and commitment. Okay, so go with this website and explore him. Go to ChatGPT and find out, like, explain about David Goggins in 10 words what he is all about. You'll get a lot of information, guys. Okay, you'll get a lot of information about ChatGPT. Okay, so what is uh, what is David Goggins known for? Okay, known for struggling. Okay, he was very overweight. He struggled a lot and he achieved the goals and all. Okay, author of the Can't Hurt Me and Never Finish. He'll never finish. You see, it's not the ending line. Okay, mindset of discipline, suffering, and self mastery. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, if you can set your mind for discipline, suffering, and self mastery, you're going to be very good. And in the people who do the take the suffering first, right? They will take the fruits later. But people who are in comfort zone from the beginning, right, they'll not succeed, guys. Okay, that's my word. Okay. toughest man alive. We also are going to become toughest men. Okay, by changing our mindset going ahead. So yeah, yeah. Don't worry about that, Manpreet. Don't worry about the trainings. How many are there and all. Ultimately, we have to do the difference. I told you in the thing also, right? Okay. So it's not about how many training sessions. Training sessions will happen. Okay. Manual testing is there. After that, we have API testing. After API testing, we have Selenium Java. So it's like going to be 50 working hours minimum. Okay. 50 hours 50, at a high level, 50 working hours, 50 hours of time I need. I'll not say how many days and all those stuff. 50 hours, I will say. Okay. Today, it's all about, giving you the plan for manual testing, what I'm going to start and, um, what are the topics I need to cover and what is the mindset you should have to continue with the trainings and all. I want to do that. I did that also. Now, tomorrow at 6 p.m. IST, we are going to start with level one of manual testing. You see, completing the manual testing will not take much time. But to do R&D and all, we need some more time. Okay. So we'll go with the flow for a while. We'll go with the flow. What works well, we'll do because I don't want to skip the things and all. I want to make this training a memorable one for you all. So I don't want to give you a particular timeline because of that. Okay. But I have my own strategy and very smart way I'm going to design the plan for you. Don't worry. So go with the flow. Okay. For now, Manpreet, go with the flow. Is that fine, Manpreet? So what is the assignment I gave you guys? What is the assignment I gave you for today? Since this is the first day, I want you to go and explain about David Goggins and try to build this kind of mindset. This is a, I think no trainer will give you this assignment, right? Did you see any trainer giving this kind of assignment? No, right? But I'm going to give you because I am teaching from a long period of time. I know what works well, what doesn't work well. Okay. So I want you guys to build a mindset now. Okay. Bulletproof mindset I want. For that, you have to explore who is David Goggins. Okay. What he has done, read the books if required, go and purchase. Nowadays in Blinkit also you'll find some books, right? Try to see if you get any books anywhere and go through the books of him. Okay. Explore about the David Goggins is the number one assignment I'm going to give you. Okay. Very simple assignment. Go and do that, guys. And tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss, if you have anything, we'll discuss. And tomorrow we'll start with software testing, guys. The first topic of software testing will start tomorrow. Okay. See you there, guys. Right. Any questions?
Sir,
Any questions before we wind up?
sir,
Yes,
hello.
Jairam.
Yeah, hi, sir. Actually, I have a concern regarding I can't able to crack the interview in the what do you call framework related concepts and page model related stuff.
Okay,
Can you
okay, fine.
please guide me? What are the videos that I want to refer?
Sure, sure. Do one thing. You go through the batch 6, okay, folder in the Google Drive. Batch 5,
Okay.
sorry. Okay, previous batch. Since we are starting with
Okay.
manual testing here, right? So there is a possibility that it will get delayed for you. So in that case, what
Okay.
you do is go to the batch 5, start with the video one. I
Yeah.
mean, you are already good with Selenium automation?
Yes, sir. Actually, I followed your videos from past six
Okay.
months.
Okay,
Because of
then,
your videos only, I
okay.
came this now.
Okay, what
But
is
I
going
can't.
wrong then? What is going wrong then?
I am good with the manual automation and Selenium Java stuff, but I
Hmm.
can't able to explain properly or related to frameworks, concepts, and page object model and test AG
Okay,
and
okay. So
scenario
have you
based.
gone through my videos of that page object model page factory already then?
That modules I have gone through through TechFox, but TechFox videos are deleted, no.
Yes,
So
yes,
due to
yes,
that
yes, correct. Now it's there in
reason,
the batch file. Whatever the Xbox videos were there, right? That are there in the
yeah.
batch file now. You can go to the batch file recordings now. So do one thing here. Here you see we have this framework here. Start with here, this one, 38. Okay.
Okay.
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. 38 to 43 videos you have to go in the batch file. Okay.
Okay. Can you get me related to scenario based questions? Do you have any sort of
What is mean
videos?
by scenario based? Tell me.
Like they are asking about we have 100 related test cases.
Hmm.
Deadline will be day after tomorrow. On
Hmm.
tomorrow, how can we able to complete those sort of scenarios based on the manual testing and what is the
Hmm.
difference between the manual and automation testing? If there
Hmm.
is no difference, why are we preferring for automation testing and can
Okay.
you able to automate each and every
Okay.
each and every
Go-
module in automation testing?
Got it. Got it. thing here is this single question has a lot of questions again, right?
Yeah.
First thing that what are the scenario based questions is like, they keep asking these questions. That's a common question. Okay. It's not a new thing. Since you have attended the interview, I got that question means everyone is asking the same question. Okay. And you
Yeah.
see, if you have good number of test cases and they are giving very less time, can you complete? Basically, you cannot complete, right?
Yeah.
So what is the plan? Only plan is to prioritize. If you have hundreds of works, assume that in real time also will get hundreds of works. But all hundreds of works are important. I have to complete hundreds
Yeah.
of works. All are not important, right? Some are more important than other one. I'll figure out which one is important, which one I have to do first, emergency, what is there. I'll do one by one, right? Same way, test cases also same thing. If you have that many test cases and all, you have to complete that. In that, you will only choose the test cases priority wise. Okay, in that 1.5 day, whatever the priority wise, whatever you complete, you will try to complete first. If you still have some time, you'll spend on the other test case. That is the first answer. Because we are not superhumans to complete everything in the given timeline, right? Okay, we'll try to
Yeah.
reduce the risk. Risk we are going to reduce. That also I'm going to teach you in the training, manual testing training. Don't worry. Okay. And second thing is like, they were asking about what is the difference between manual and automation, why we have to go for automation, right? You see, every time you get a particular version of the software, you cannot perform the testing daily, right? Because
Yeah.
thousands of tests will be there, you will not get enough time. So what we'll do is from the beginning of the project itself, we are going to automate the test cases so that while you are performing testing on important areas, the automation testing will take care of the regular areas. Because let's say you went to the hospital with some headache, okay? You went to an hospital with a headache. What will happen? You got a headache and you went to the hospital. And your doctor gave you some prescription and you got the medicine and you started using the medicines. And once you came back home and started using the medicines, after a week of time, your headache is gone. Okay. But suddenly you're going to get stomach pain. Earlier, stomach was good or not?
Yeah.
Stomach was good. Now, what about now? Stomach is not good. What happened with the stomach? It got affected because of the side effects of that medicine. You got stomach pain. But earlier it was good, right? Now it's
Yeah.
not good. Same thing happens with the software. When developers will fix some problem, right? That problem will result in another problem in another area. Earlier, developer has fixed the headache problem, like the doctor has fixed your headache problem. Developers have fixed some other problem. Now stomach got affected. Got it? So regression. This is called as regression testing. Okay, whenever developer changes some part of the code, right? Some other areas of the application code will get affected, and because of that, some defects will come at different areas which were already working earlier. So every time you have to repeatedly run the same test cases again. So what happens over a period of time? To keep on spending your full time on testing the test cases for every version of the software, will that be possible in real time? In 7 days you complete, nowadays agile days. In 7 days you have to complete your testing and all by taking care of the new things and all. It won't be possible. Okay, that's why automation testing came into picture. Everything cannot be done manually. Got it? Got
And
some
one more
clarity now?
question is,
Yes. Hmm.
we what can we able to automate every module related to manual testing to automation?
No, we
Like,
cannot automate. Not everything cannot be automated. You see, these days we started one batch. I don't know whether you have the idea about that live automation batch. So you see, while we are going through this test cases, we are automating this particular test case. Here we have 500 plus test cases. Okay, this is a template. I'll share you later. Don't worry. Okay. So in the register, we were able to automate all the 27 of the 27 test cases. When we went to the login, you see, these were the test cases that we are unable to automate. You see, it's not compulsory that we have to automate each and every test case. There will be some test cases which we cannot automate. Got it?
yeah, they are asking about give me some examples related to
Okay.
that.
Give me some examples. Means, you have to give some kind of examples here. Like, for example, what is the example we have here? Verify the timeout of the login session. You see, you go to the, have you used any net banking application?
Yeah,
So if you are idle for 3 minutes of time, what will happen?
it will automatically log out.
Automatically log out. But the not same thing will not happen for the normal application. If not a banking application is very sensitive, so they give maximum 3 minutes of time because you may forget to log out and all. Because of that, there's security is a major one there, right? People may lose the money.
Yeah,
But if you take a real normal e-commerce application like Amazon or something, and or some other application maybe, so generally the session timeout will be 30 minutes. If I ask
yeah.
you to automate this, will it be possible for you?
We can able to do
Yes.
minimal operation.
Yes, we can automate it. But what happens is it's not a recommended test case to be automated. The reason behind it, your automation script your script will hold for 30 seconds, 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
I don't recommend this kind of test case for automation. Okay, this can be automatable,
Okay.
but should not be automated because it will waste a lot of time. Rather, this is more preferable for manual testing purpose, right?
Yeah.
Same thing. Second thing, if I take another example, CAPTCHA is there. CAPTCHA, what is a CAPTCHA reason? Why CAPTCHA is coming on the websites? Anyone know why CAPTCHA is there on the websites?
Only humans can able to read the
Yes. You
captcha
see,
related stuff.
nowadays the tools are a lot of tools came into the market that even good purpose we can use, bad purpose we can use, right? Hackers will use it for a bad purpose. When the sale, Amazon sale is going is happening, a lot of traffic will come to the website, right? What the hackers will do is they'll generate some false traffic and send to the websites. Okay. And because of that, the application will get a lot of traffic and load will increase and the application may go down. Okay. That's what the hacker wants to disturb the business of the company. The hacker is trying to do it. So what the company will do is they'll put some captchas and some checks like are you a real human or not who is trying to access application. The the application people will do so that the traffic will stop at that point. They cannot proceed further. Okay, and access the main pages. Okay, got it right? That you see such kind of captcha can we automate?
We can't talk about it.
Can't automate because the purpose is for security. If we are able to automate, hackers will also do the same thing, right?
Yeah.
This is another example you would have given. Okay, this is another example you would have given. A lot of things are there like this. Okay, a lot of things are there like this. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, great, great, super. So yeah, keep coming with the questions, Jairam. Okay, these questions are very important not only for you but also for other people also. Okay, so keep coming. If you're attending interviews and if you're facing some challenges, this is the right place, guys, where we can talk with each other. Maybe at least at the end of the session, we'll have this kind of discussions going ahead. Okay, today is the only planning part, right? We are not going to take in depth level, but tomorrow onwards, you can ask me any questions, guys. Okay. Okay, so you can ask me any questions at the end of the training sessions. Okay, got it? Is that clear? Everyone clear? Great. Great, great. That's all from my end, guys. Anything else you want to ask before I wind up for today? So the assignment is very pretty clear. Assignment is to explore about David Goggins and try to get his mentality or mindset where we are going to tackle up the challenges, do something that is very difficult, will not be lethargic, going ahead. We are going to take challenges. Even taking interviews is also a challenge, right? Attending the interviews is also a challenge. Okay. We'll get that mindset now. Okay. I want everyone to go and explore about David Goggins and get that mindset now. Okay. If required, purchase his books, go through him. Yes, you will get it. You will get it. Don't worry. There is nothing. It's just a job. Abroad is just a word. Okay. It's getting job is everywhere same. Nothing that. Okay. So challenges will be different. We'll tackle them. Okay. We are going to tackle them. Great. Fine then. Okay, guys. That's all for today, and I'll share you this mind map. Okay, in the WhatsApp group and everywhere. Okay, you can take it from there. Yeah, very good kickstart, right? Yeah, even I feel the same thing. I'm very energized today. I would like to take it to the next level. Okay. Yeah, sure. Great, great. Okay. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m. IST. So here I'll post a message like tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a session at 6 p.m. IST where we are going to start software testing topics as planned today. Okay. What is the assignment I gave? Assignment is explore David Goggins. Goggins. Okay. To build bullet proof mindset and discipline for upcoming training sessions and challenges we are going to face in the coming days. Okay, done. Great. Super. So bye everyone. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m. IST. Take care. Bye. And do the assignment. Bye.